Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my Winter Fab Fit Fun unboxing. If you guys don't know what Fab Fit Fun is, it is a seasonal subscription box. It's $49.99, $50 every season, but if you sign up for a whole year, you do get $20 off, so you're getting $5 off per box. But my favorite part about Fab Fit Fun is that it is a very customizable box. For Boxycharm and Ipsy and stuff, you get to pick like one, maybe two items. For FabFitFun, if you are a annual subscriber where you pay in full, you get to customize every single option. But even if you are only a seasonal subscriber, you still get to customize, I think like 3 or 4 of the, I think it's like 6, 7 options. I'm not 100% sure, but I know you still get to customize at least half your box. So I think that is fantastic. That way you know you are getting items that you really want. And even if you can't customize everything, they do have a bunch of really good options that are either going to be, you know, makeup, fitness, lifestyle, even home stuff, which I love about it. Is a very well-rounded box to encompass all aspects that we like in our life, not just makeup like Boxycharm and Ipsy. I do have a link down below if you guys are interested in signing up. I'm not sure if it's like points that I can spend on like the shop or if it's money off like my next box. I really don't know what the bonus is if I, you know, get a referral from it, but my link is down below if you guys are interested. And I'm gonna quit rambling. If you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my Winter Fab Fit Fun box, then just keep on watching. So you get a bunch of different coupons and stuff. All right, so I do guess each box comes with samples now. The last time I had like this alcohol-free beer, which was just disgusting. I don't like beer in general. So this time it came with the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. I'm so excited for this. I've been wanting to try it. So let's see, they are different flavors. We have a tangerine, a lemon ginger, and a strawberry. And I have a little more than 16 ounces in here, I think. All right, so I am gonna give the strawberry one a go right now. That's pretty good. All right, so before I spend more time on just the sampling here, let's just go ahead and get on into the rest of the box. So there are some stickers that come with it this month, pretty cute, and the FabFitFun magazine, which gives you pretty much all the information on all the items. So then each season as well, FabFitFun does partner with a charity, and this season's charity is Toys for Tots. All right, so the first item I see is the Glamnetic Magnetic Lashes with liner. It is in the Virgo style. So I don't know if I'm just not the best with applying magnetic liner and lashes, because I like to do my liner, then my mascara, and then pop the lashes on, and by the time I do it, I guess my liner has, you know, dried fully. I'm not 100% sure, but I saw these and I was like, you know what, I'll give them a go. But this is what the lash looks like. It looks not too dramatic, but not like your most simple lash either. But I figured I'd give these a go. I hear really good things about Glamnetic, so hopefully I can get these to work. The Glamnetic lashes and liner retails for $60. All right, so the next thing in the box is this Unhide For Love Not Fur, and this is like a throw blanket. That is so soft. This retails for $65. I got the charcoal shade. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be nice. I am gonna set this for a Christmas gift. I love throw blankets. I'm snuggled up in my little capped throw right now. So I'm gonna keep this all nice and, you know, packaged and give this as a gift. I hope they put this in more boxes. Or at least in like the shop, because I might have to pick up a couple more. All right, so the next item I'm also giving as a Christmas gift. This one I am gonna take out real quick just so I can actually like show it to you guys. But this is another charcoaly gray. This is a scarf. I don't wear scarves often. Tennessee does not get nearly as cold as Chicago, so I don't really wear scarves. I don't even really wear like a full-on winter coat. So I am going to be setting this aside for a gift. The person will be very warm and cozy. So this is from the Lucky brand. It is their solid brushed scarf, and it retails for $69.50. All right, so next is another warm and cozy item, but I am going to be keeping this one for myself because I love beanies. All right, so this is the beanie here. It's another gray color. It is from Michael Kors. All right, so even though I don't really wear like scarves, jackets, I will always wear a beanie. Beanies are just so warm, so comfortable. I love hats and stuff in general, like baseball caps, snapbacks. So like beanies are just perfect for the winter time, and especially if I want to like start wearing some of my wigs out that don't have like a more natural like hairline, the ones that aren't like lace front, or if I like did a really bad job cutting the lace, I can at least put a beanie on and it makes the wig look a little bit more natural. So I love beanies. They're just so cute and comfortable. I wish I could wear them like while I was actually working, but I will wear it to and from work. It's fine. It is their Michael Kors beanie with a pom, which is right up here, a little pom-pom poofy thing, and it retails for $48. All right, so then we have this from Crown Alchemist. The packaging is so pretty. This is their body cream. We're gonna open it. Smells really fresh. All right, so it is the Mandarin Rosemary. Oh, that smells really good. It's not as strong when it's like in the, you know, little glob, but once you start like rubbing it into your skin, I can smell it a lot more strongly. It smells really, really good. I cannot wait to keep using this. My hands get so dry in the winter time. I've already like started keeping lotion and stuff at work just because my hands get so dry. And then this retails for $26. All right, so next is an item that I have used before. I really enjoy it. I do have a bunch of items in this category, but it's something I'm going to use every day, so I will eventually get to it, and it is a really, really nice product. This is the Tula Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser with probiotics and superfoods, but I'm going to wash my face every day, twice a day, once in the morning, once at night, and it's just a very gentle face cleanser, and I found since going more gentle with my skincare, my skin has done so much better, so I'm excited to have another one of these in my life, and this retails for $28. So it's not the cheapest face wash, but you get 6.7 ounces for that price tag, which really isn't that bad in this scheme of higher end skincare. All right guys, so I got 6 items in this box. I'm really happy with these 6 items I picked. Even if I wasn't giving the blanket and the scarf to someone else and kept that for myself, I would have been over the moon about all 6 items in my box, given a cleanser and a body lotion aren't the most exciting things, but they're things that are practical. You know, I'm gonna go through them, I'm gonna use them, so I'm really excited about these. Really excited to give Magnetic Lashes another go, maybe with trying a more well-known, better brand. Hopefully it works. Then you get all the warm, cozy items for wintertime. I'm really, really happy with this box. There were so many good items this season that it was really hard for me to narrow down the items that I wanted, but again, I ended up picking all 6 items, so it wasn't like these were items that were just thrown in here that I was just like, okay, yeah. It was, oh no, I want that. Oh no, I want that. Oh, do I want that or that or that? Heads or tails? Heads or like flip a coin? I don't know. Yeah, very, very happy with this season's box. For my 6 items, my retail value was $296.49. And even with my little samples, I'm really happy about compared to my sample last time of that beer. All right, so I'm popping in at the end here real quick because I just finished editing the video and realized I did not film an outro. All right, so that was it for my FabFitFun unboxing for winter. If you guys get FabFitFun, let me know what you guys got in your box this month. Are you a seasonal or an annual subscriber? What was your favorite item that you picked? Let me know if you guys get FabFitFun just in general, if you guys have been really happy with your box, or if you're kind of just like, I don't know how I feel. If you guys are not subscribed to FabFitFun, are you considering subscribing after seeing the items that I got in this month's box? Let me know down below, and I'm gonna quit rambling. If you guys like the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notifications so you guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.